Hello dear students, happy morning to you. Say everybody, happy morning to you. I am not hearing you. Where are you? I am not hearing you. Say happy morning to you. Today concept is your confidence. No. Our confidence. No. All our effort with our confidence. Okay. That is managing what is meant by confidence. Where to create your confidence level to the student. How to develop your confidence about our student thought. What is the most attractive person to build a student's confidence level. What are the ways to build the scope of student confidence level. What are the lagging factors which affect our student about the confidence level. Who is the most responsible thing which is needed more on confidence level. Different person has different abilities. How to differentiate the confidence level. Where to place to promote your confidence level. How students get benefited about confidence level. So I am asking and many things. I am giving to ask many things. Anybody can able to answer it. What is meant by confidence? What is meant by confidence? The condition of natural factor. The condition of natural factor introduce, differentiate, education, news carrying efficiently on with you, not you, on. Very it is on our side, for our side to build our confidence. Okay? Where to create a confidence level to you student, all our students, by applying your thought to be a functional role of the student. See, listen here students, what is a functioning role? Everybody can able to create different level of confidence. I am having confidence. First you should know about, you must be clear about your thought. You must be clear about thought. Then only you can be able to reach a confidence. How to develop our confidence about our students' thought? This is one of the questions rising on your mind on many times. Students always thought about struggle to fight, to overcome the rule of confidence. When tutor come to your class, he is asking some question about you. You are learning and replying to it. But how to develop your confidence level? That is different. Anybody can able to explain anything. But your part of you, that confidence is, you must be knowing all the things and where to apply to get the better result. That is the student's effort. That is the student's confidence. Who is the most attractive person to strengthen the confidence level? Anybody can able to tell the answer. This question is right or wrong. Who is the most attractive person to build the student confidence level? Your father or your mom or anybody? No. Achiever. First you read the lesson. Before the read the lesson, you must see the author name. They are also one of the motivator. They are also one of the attractive person. See, any one of the achievers which different industries to more attract our studies, they are all most attractive person to build our confidential level. Okay. What are the ways to build the scope of confidential level? What are the ways? There are plenty of ways. Confidence is the best scope of a student view. Yes. Confidence is the best scope of a student view. Is the way to apply to get the result. It must be the way to apply to get the result. Your confidence should be only knowing about when you are studying, you will be prepared for your getting better result. That also will build up your career planning. That also build your strength. What are the lagging factor? Which effort about our student related with the confidence level? Without awareness, n number of thought rising on our mind, to showing on your mind something which is not related content that is distracting your mind. That are the lagging factors. Throw it. And one more thing, what is the most responsible thing which is needed for a confidence level? Anybody can able to tell the answer? Anybody knows what is the most responsible thing which is needed more on confidence level? The basic thing is to identify the student. I am telling about you. Knowing the responsibility, where to apply it. You must knowing the responsibility and where to apply it. That is one of the ways, the most responsible thing which is needed more on confidence level. Why person are different from confidence level? See, different person has different abilities. Different person have different abilities. Based upon the thought. They are created by own challenges. And finally, they reach the confidential level. When person is reactive, apply, where to find out the solution. That is also one of the key. Who is taking more responsible about that confidential level. That is differentiate from each and every student. Okay, how to build the confidence level? Anybody can able to guess how to build the confidence level? Confidence is the word which is more about to build the student potential. Where to fit on it? Your potential, where to fit on it? That is a way to build your confidential level. What is the sign of confidential level? The sign of confidential level is nothing but ratio between strength with lagging potential. We are already discussed. First, you should know about your strength. You should know about your strength. What is strength? What is weakness? How to create opportunities and where we are lagging into. These four things you have to prepare on own. Then you will find out where you are and then you can able to reach the confidential level. And where to place to promote your confidence level. You got some clear picture. You know how to create it. Don't place it anywhere. If you apply it promptly, you build the project, the word which showed to highlight your confidence level to a next level. Don't create any opportunities on yours that also build your confidence level. At last, I want to share only one question. How students get benefited? About confidential level? No one get benefited anything. One person strong about point out of the aim, to click on it, where to promote it. You must be showing where to point it out, to the aim, to click on it where to promote it. That is a way of answer to build your confidential level. Dear students, at last I tell you one thing. That is a very important word. See, the reading content, we are reading many more content, many more books. We develop our knowledge. That knowledge will support your confidential level. At the same occasion, that will create as a aim. That aim will reach as a goal. At last the goal will reach your confidential level, where to place it and promote it. Try to understand what we are saying. Okay. Bye my dear student. On next occasion, I'll be back with you. I'm leaving for the day. Bye my dear students. Bye my dear students.